Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Ohio. Ohio became the 17th state to join the Union on March 1st, 1803. The original governor was a guy named Edward Tiffin. We know today that the capital of Ohio was Columbus, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, Ohio's original capital was a place called Chillicothe. The state flag has 3 red and 2 white horizontal stripes. On the staff end is a blue triangular field with an apex at the center of the middle stripe. There are 17 white 5-pointed stars grouped around a red disc that's superimposed upon a white circular O. The state bird is the cardinal. The state tree is the Ohio Buckeye. The state flower is the carnation, and the state nickname is the Buckeye State. The state motto is, "With God, all things are possible." I feel it important to note that the motto is not intended to endorse a specific deity, but instead it stands for a generic expression of optimism. And hopefully this is enough information to get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. You got this. Good luck. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.